we got something for you. Is that those missiles? What are those? Not sure.
Little activity out in front of the office today. Pretty sure this is going downtown in front of the library. But they did get us stuck in the power lines back there a minute ago. Good day and happy Friday. So I wanted to give you a little update on what's kind of going on in and around the mall with all of the retail construction. As you can see, the old JCPenney's has closed a couple months ago, and looks like they're gutting the inside, changing a lot of the entrances, getting ready for the Hobby Lobby. So over here on the front entrance, where JCPenney's was, looks like they're changing the signing out. Like I said, getting ready for the Hobby Lobby. See if we can get a little peek inside. We walk by. I'm not going to go inside, unlike some vloggers I know. Just want to try to get a little video of the inside. Now on down between what used to be the entrance between JCPenney and Bonton. Now I've brought this to you before, but we've really cleared out a lot here, making way for some new and exciting stuff. I've heard some rumors of different things that are coming in. Haven't heard anything official. One of the rumors I heard was that Bass Pro Shop has been looking at this section. If anybody out there knows anything, I'd love to have the update. It's funny that they left this up. Wonder if like Frontier has to come out and take it down, or the lines or something underneath. Yeah, but as you can see, just clearing out all of the debris, gravel, where the over here in that area is where the food court used to be. Then you had the entrance going into Bonton over there. Back over here was the putt-putt place. Wide open. It's kind of weird to be able to see all the way across to the backside of what used to be the mall. Give you a little bit of a better perspective. Bonton, like I said, the open area, and then over where JCPenney's was and Hobby Lobby is coming. So I've had several people ask me why I think the mall failed. A couple different things. I think it was a very poor design. I think that when the movie theater was built across the way, you can see it back in there. Unlike the Winchester Mall and the Hagerstown Mall in Maryland and Virginia that had a movie theater attached, we had one across the parking lot, and I think that makes a big difference, especially for young people coming, hanging out. Also, we didn't have a lot of food options here. Angelo's, which I still love, and I'm glad that they moved out on the north end of Foxcroft Avenue, right up from Outback. If you haven't tried them lately, wow. If you haven't tried them lately, go check them out. Brick Oven Pizza. The mall went through several different ownership groups, and I know Mountain State University, widely publicized, went bankrupt. I believe the owner, the CEO, got caught embezzling money. So they owned the mall at one point, and then got sold to the company that, I think it went into foreclosure or bankruptcy court. I'm not 100% sure, but got sold out to the company that owns it now, which is based out of Myrtle Beach. And you know, the mall just, the stores were dying, Walmart was, cut off from the interior of the mall decades ago. And it just didn't have the traffic. Now I think with all of the new stores that are coming in around it and all the restaurants, it's making a big difference. Now we just need a place to shop. And hopefully that's coming soon too. All right, now for something new and exciting that's being done. Over here on Foxcroft Avenue, right next to Panda Express, Chipotle. You guys have probably seen some construction going on where the old Ryan's is. You can see they're pretty much tearing down the building to make way for a new Starbucks. Now some people have asked, why would they want a new Starbucks here? We've got one in Martin's, we have one in Target. Well, this would be a standalone Starbucks, it'll have drive-through, but also we don't have the highway traffic. A lot of people that are driving down the highway don't know that there's one in Martin's, one in Target, and if you don't shop in Martin's or Target, you probably never go to that Starbucks. Also, from what I've been told, and I saw a sign here, but I don't see it here anymore, there is a Boston Market coming on this site, as well as a Pearl Vision. As you can see, they're ripped the roof off, ripping a lot of the facade off. The sign is gone. Gotta be interested to see how it all shakes out. Now I'm over here at the Commons in the Med Express parking lot. Right near exit 12, which is broken in my opinion. But that's a story for another day. Give you an update on the shopping center going across from the Commons. The Wise supermarket. Haven't done a whole lot lately. They did, I guess the Department of Transportation did finish the entrance. They put in some new lights, and you can see there's some other lights up there that are ready to be changed over. Kind of interesting to see. Not sure what's going to happen here, how long it's going to take. Heard they had some permit issues, not really sure. If anybody out there knows, put it in the comments below. I'd like to know. Now I'm on the back side of the Commons. Over here, TJ Maxx, that area. Right next behind the Hilton Gardens Suites Inn that they built about a year or so ago. You've got some other construction going on. But these, most people don't even know they're here. I've been told, and I did a little research online, are a 24 unit luxury apartment building. So if anybody knows anything about that, and maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I've been told. I'm not sure if these are like little garages, maybe. Kind of interesting. 24 unit luxury apartment building behind the Commons. How much will these rent for? Last on our tour in and around Foxcroft Avenue and all the new building retail spots here in the Lowe's parking lot. A lot of people have probably seen this going up. Little out parcel. Now, I've been told that there's a dental office going in here. I was also told that Verizon is going in. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff coming in around the area. That kind of concludes a little update on what's going on in and around Martinsburg, Foxcroft Avenue. So hopefully get something else cool in here, like a Firehouse Subs or something like that. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe a Jersey Mike's. But hope you guys like this. Like I said, try to bring you some new and exciting stuff all the time. I've got a few ideas and some other things that I want to do. If you guys have any suggestions on stuff that you like to see, let me know. Put it in the comments. Also, share, like. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. And I'll catch you next time.